Yo, what's up, guys? Gonna get back to the mine. Let's go. Woohoo! Let's go. Gold Raider. Is anything here? Is anything here, bro? I cannot. Yo. There's a blue. Let's go. There's a blue or a rare thing. Yes, a turkeys. Or let's go, guys. Yo. Wow. Where did my money go? Where is my money? Whee. Let's go. Wait, I'ma sell. Let's go. Sorry, guys. Boom. Anything good here? Nope, nothing. Wait. Did I? Wait. Did I see a purple? Oh no, I didn't see. I'm being tricked by my own mind. I've been tricked by my own mind. Sorry, guys. Anything good here? No. Yo, what is this tunnel? Yo, what the? Wow. What the? What is this tunnel, bro? What happened here? Oh, there's a blue. Let's go. Yo, this is actually so hard to mine. A bell. Emerald. That's good, okay. Kinda decent, okay. I need something good to, because I need so much money. In this game, not in real life. Let's go, platinum. Come on. Yo, why are there so much rares here? Yo. Wait. Sound effects. Let's go. So you guys can hear my voice, because when I watch my video, it was so noisy, bro. Sorry, guys. I need something good to find, bro. Oh, there. Boom. Boom. Back. Boom. But yo, why are there so much rares? Is this a rare? A rare hole? Bro, I'm in a good I cannot even talk, bro. Return place, bro. I want to hear the sound effects. Hello. I want. I'm lagging. Bro, what is that? Sorry guys. Going back to the hole. Okay. Let's go. I'm close. Yeah. Cold bath. Okay. Pretty good. I need a legendary ore, man. I need a legendary ore. I'm gonna go deeper. Yo, what's this? What? The sapphire? That's so expensive. Oh my god! I said expensive instead of expensive. Let's go. Bro. I need to go back. I need something good, bro. There. Let's go. Boom! Emerald. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yo, why is this so hard? Is they really gonna steal my ore? Boom! Bam! I'm stunning. Boom! Boom! Let's go! Boom! Why is this so hard, bro? Bro, why is this so hard to like dig? I'm making a whole Okay. Oh my god. Yo, ancient skull. Okay. I need that. Okay. I need that. Yo. Yay! Let me look for another one. Is there another one? Oh, there. Wait. Yep. I'm lagging. I cannot move, bro. Why can't I move? Bruh. Oh, I need to reset, bro. I cannot move. What happened, bro? Classic. Okay, tap to move. Tap to move. Huh? Bro, what the? Okay, I'm a rejoin. But what? What happened, bro? I'm a rejoin, bro. Let's go. Skip. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. Boom. Down. Back. 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 Oh my god, it hurts me. Yes. Zinc oil. Okay. Let's go. Where is it? Oh my god, it's so deep. Let's go. Oh my god. I forgot that it's collapsing, bro. Let's go. Oh my god. Return to surface. Let's sell this. I'm gonna sell. Yo, okay, okay. Collapse now. Regard that. Regard that. Throw this guy slow. I'm lagging, man. I'm lagging so much. Well, what is that? Oh, it's just a nickel. I thought it was an emerald or something. I do not know. Let's go. Bruh. Where is it? It's so deep, bruh. Finally, I got here. Yay. Sorry if I'm being rude. Boom. Boom. Back. Boom. Boom. Okay, is there nothing good? Oh, there's a rare. Okay. Emerald ore, yeah. Thanks, bro. There's another one. Maybe here. Yeah, bro. Let's go. I'm Philippines, but I'm being like nonchalant, I think. Is it nonchalant what I'm talking? I'm Philippines, bro. I live in the Philippines. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Boom. Bam. Bap. Let's go. There's no more. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's pick up something. Okay. Let's go. This is hit. Good hit. Yeah, good hits. Boom. Yes, max power. Is there anything good here? No. Boom. Why is it so hard, bro? I'm trying to find something good. So hard to find something good, bro. Tenor? Okay. Amethyst. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Let's go. Platinum. Okay. Coal. I need something good, bro. Nothing good. I'm trying to find the purple things. Okay, thanks. Let's go. Golden radar. Okay, nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing. Oh, there's a blue, but I do not need that right now. Back. Okay, my mom just called me, but I'm gonna do it later. So guys, my mom said I need to do something, so I'ma just leave it here for now. Bye guys.